Hillel, thanks for joining us today and sharing experiences you've had in client engagements. Specifically, what I'd like to get into is solving site payment issues and your approach to those issues.
Tackling the challenges with the site payment process can often be a daunting task, and that's why it's really important to take a stepwise approach. We often begin by mapping the current state to understand what are the pain points with the process before beginning to identify what future state capabilities would really address those needs. And then translating both that current state assessment and future state design into a compelling business case that will resonate with all the different stakeholders within your organization.
Certainly our experience has been as site payments has remained an industry challenge for a long time. Progress has been made, but it's still a big challenge. So I'd be curious as to what you see as the main drivers to this problem.
There are three main challenges with the process. The first is around just the amount of manual effort that's required from both the sites and the sponsors to process these payments, to track all of the different inputs from different data fields. The second is really about ensuring that all of the data points are centralized so that sponsors can report accurately and have the analytics that drive future decision makings. And thirdly, sites really want to have traceability into what they're being paid for and what they aren't. And so if you can make it easier for them to understand how they're being reimbursed for their time and effort, they will be much more happy to support you and participate in your trials.
Once you have reached your conclusions in terms of what the drivers are behind site payment issues, what is your best practice recommendation in terms of how to go forward and resolve these challenges?
So I know it's always really tempting to pick a solution and dive right in, but it's important to step back and first understand what your current state challenges are. Map out those processes and articulate both in quantitative and qualitative terms what are the issues that your specific company is facing and how those impact your sites. Then, again, before picking a solution, it's important to think about what you want that future state to look like, and only once you have a clear vision for the future would you begin looking at potential solutions.
Thank you, Hillel. That's very insightful, and thank you for your time.
Thanks, Stu.